Well, first of all, I came as a total tech newbie. I mean, I could do Facebook, but I had no idea what a widget was or anything like that. And I was a little naive too about how much work goes into a website. But I have to say, one, Christina is an excellent teacher. I mean, really, really excellent. And two, and I put this in the chat. Um, what you are struggling with, Kevin, is exactly why taking Christina's program is so great, because you get the basics of how to make a website, and it can be a small one or a big one. Some of us get really excited about being creative at some point and less scared and dive in like I did. Um, but you at least will know what needs to be done, and you can do some of the little things yourself. So you are not at risk or as in as much chance of being at risk of being snookered by somebody, because you know, and a little change, you might be able to go in and do that circle or change that font or whatever it is. So and she does have people that come in, they have office hours. So there are, even when you get stuck, you can bring a particular problem to the office hours. So it has been really empowering, really amazing, an amazing experience. And I can't thank you enough, Christina. So.